Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to talk about something we use every day often without even realizing it. It's mathematics. Math is not just a subject we learn in school. It plays a huge role in our daily lives. Let's explore 3 important ways math helps us every day. First, let's talk about money. Have you ever saved up for a toy or a special treat? That's math in action. We budget our allowance or decide how much to spend, and we are using addition, subtraction, and multiplication. For example, if you have $10, you want to buy a toy that costs $7, you need to do a little math to see how much money you have left. Understanding money and budgeting help us make smart choices and save us from overspending. Next, let's look at cooking and baking. Have you ever tried helped in the kitchen when we cook? We often use measurements like cups, teaspoons, and ounces. If a recipe calls for 2 cups of flour and you want to double it, you need to use multiplications to figure out that you need 4 cups. Or if you only want to make half of a recipe, you divide the ingredients. Math helps us create this delicious meal and treats, and it makes sure everything turns out just right. Finally, let's think about management. We all have busy lives with school, sports, and hobbies. Math helps us keep track of time, whether it's figuring out how long we need to study for a test, how much before our favorite show starts. We use math to organize our days. For instance, if your homework takes 30 minutes and you want to finish it before dinner at 6 p.m., you can use subtraction to figure out what time you need to start. This helps us make the most of our time. So there you have it. Math is incredibly important in our daily lives. Whether we are managing money, cooking in the kitchen, or keeping track of time, math in there is to help us. Next time you're faced with a math problem, remember how it can help you in real life. Thank you for listening, and let's embrace the magic of mathematics together.